Established in 2010, Chongqing Axion Driveshaft Company, Limited. AxionDrive is a leading innovator in the design, production, and distribution of precision drivetrain components. With a sprawling production facility spanning 11,000 square meters, we specialize in manufacturing drive shaft assemblies, steering shafts, universal joints, weld yokes, flange yokes, spline yokes, slip joints, spline shafts, sleeve tubes, and related components. As a vertically integrated enterprise, we unite R&D, production, sales, and service under one roof, delivering end-to-end solutions for global automotive and industrial markets. AxionDrive holds IATF 16949:2016 certification, a testament to our rigorous adherence to international quality management standards. Our commitment to operational excellence ensures the long-term efficacy of our quality systems, enabling consistent delivery of products that exceed customer expectations. With a dynamic R&D team, we develop more than 20 new Propshaft annually, prioritizing agility to reduce development cycles and accelerate time to market. This focus on innovation empowers our clients, both existing and new, to enhance their competitive edge through cutting-edge solutions tailored to evolving industry demands. Our facility is equipped with advanced manufacturing and precision testing technologies, bolstered by annual investments in cutting-edge equipment. This strategic approach guarantees product integrity, operational efficiency, and compliance with stringent global specifications. AxionDrive serves clients across South America, North America, the Middle East, and beyond, earning acclaim for superior product quality and reliability. Beyond the aftermarket, we supply OEMs in diverse sectors, including passenger vehicles, agricultural machinery, sanitation trucks, snowplows, and all-terrain vehicles, ATVs. We pride ourselves on responsiveness, rapid order processing, and dedicated after-sales support. Guided by our core principles: reputation first,